Welcome back to Technical Homer YouTube channel. Today we're looking at something that genuinely feels like the next generation of consumer 3D printing. This is the Snapmaker UI 3D printer, and after going through its features and technology, I can confidently say this machine is built for creators who want fast printing, cleaner multicolor results, and much smarter workflow overall. Whether you are just a hobbyist, designer, engineer, or someone who simply loves creating cool things at home, the Snapmaker UI brings some seriously impressive upgrades to the table. Right from the beginning, the UI stands out because this is not just another regular 3D printer with a fancy design. Snapmaker has focused heavily on speed, efficiency, and multi-material printing while trying to reduce the common frustration people usually face with traditional multicolor systems. Before talking about the printer itself, let's quickly check out the box contents. Inside the package, you get the Snapmaker UI printer, the toolheads, necessary accessories and cables, build plate components, filament related accessories, and the standard documentations to help with setup. The unboxing experience looks clean and premium, which is something we usually expect from Snapmaker products. Now, let's talk about the biggest highlight of this printer, the SnapSwap 4 toolhead system. This is honestly one of the most interesting features of the U1. Instead of relying on a single nozzle system that constantly purges filament and wastes material during color changes, Snapmaker designed a system where 4 separate toolheads can work together. The printer can swap toolheads in around 5 seconds, which is incredibly fast and much more efficient compared to traditional systems. This also means you get significantly less filament waste during multicolor printing. According to Snapmaker, the U1 offers up to 5 times less waste while also delivering up to 5 times more speed in certain workflows. For people who print complex colorful models, this can save both time and material costs in the long run. Another major advantage here is multi-material printing. Since the printer supports multiple toolheads, you can combine different materials more efficiently. That opens up a lot of creative possibilities for advanced users. You can print models with different textures, colors, or support materials much more smoothly than before. Now, speed is another area where the Snapmaker U1 becomes really impressive. This printer supports up to 500 mm per second printing speed with acceleration reaching up to 20,000 mm per second squared. Those are very serious numbers for a desktop 3D printer. Fast printing usually means more vibration and reduced quality. But Snapmaker claims the U1 is designed to maintain smooth and stable performance even at high speed. For creators who regularly print large projects, prototypes, or production style batches, this speed improvement can make a huge difference. You spend less time waiting and more time actually creating. The build volume is also very practical here. The U1 comes with a 270mm build area, which gives you enough space for larger models and functional prints. It's a balanced size that works well for both home users and professional creators without making the printer excessively bulky. One feature I personally find very convenient is the auto filament loading system. Anyone who has used 3D printers before knows that loading and charging filament can sometimes become very annoying, especially when working with multiple colors or materials. The automated process here makes things simpler and more beginner friendly. Design-wise, the Snapmaker UI looks modern and premium. The machine has a clean industrial style that fits nicely into workspace or studio environment. From what we can see from the official product information, Snapmaker is clearly aiming for more refined and professional user experience. Another thing worth mentioning is that this printer seems focused not only on enthusiasts but also on users who want reliable daily productivity. The combination of fast toolhead swapping, reduced waste, and high-speed printing creates a workflow that feels much more efficient than many traditional multicolor systems currently available in the market. Now, of course, printers with advanced systems like this are usually targeted toward users who truly want to explore multicolor or multi-material printing seriously. If you mainly print simple single-color objects occasionally, some of these features may feel more advanced than necessary. But For creators who want flexibility, fast workflow, and cleaner results, the UI looks extremely promising. Overall, the Snapmaker U1 feels like a very smart evolution in desktop 3D printing. The SnapSwap toolhead system is clearly the star of the show, offering faster color transitions with less waste, while the high-speed performance and large build volume make the printer practical for real-world creative projects. If Snapmaker can deliver the smooth printing experience they are promising, this could become one of the most exciting multi-material 3D printers for creators and professionals alike. It combines innovation, efficiency, and productivity into a package that genuinely feels futuristic. So yeah guys, that was our look at the Snapmaker U1 3D printer. Let me know in the comments what do you think about this new toolhead system and whether you would use multicolor printing for your own projects. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay connected with Technical Omor YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.